Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Frameo how to upload photos. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To upload photos to a Frameo digital photo frame, what you need to do first is connect to the photo frame. On your Frameo frame, tap add frame to get a code which is valid for 12 hours, and then once that's generated, what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your Frameo app on your phone. Then tap on this add icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now here, either you can enter the code or simply tap on this icon and scan the QR code generated on your frame. Then once connected, what you need to do is just simply head over back and then select the photos that you want to send, and once selected, tap on this arrow icon on the bottom right, and here all you gotta do is select the recipients, and once selected, simply tap on this arrow icon once again to send it wirelessly. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.